Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the seat cushion screw holes. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Next, align the screw holes on the armrest with the screw holes on the backrest. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.